friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be sharing with y'all just some glimpses of our home for the 4th of July weekend, and then show y'all a little glimpse into our 4th of July week. And I have like some fun recipes to share and just some fun little summery things. And you'll have to excuse the way that I sound. I somehow caught something July 5th, so after the 4th of July. Well, actually, I think it was 4th of July evening I started kind of coming down with a sore throat, and then after that it was just all the congestion. So we're gonna try to make it through this video together, but we had a lot of fun things that I had recorded and I wanted to share with y'all, and so we are going to jump on into it. Like I said in the beginning, I just wanted to share with y'all a little glimpse into our home. I do have a full summer home tour up on my channel a few videos back, and then I also have my mom's patriotic home tour and another recipe on the last video, so be sure to check those out. But let me know in the comments down below what you did for the 4th of July with your friends and family. I hope that y'all had a very fun one celebrating with your loved ones. I know most of the time after July 4th, everybody starts getting geared up for fall, but I have a few more things for summer that I want to do and enjoy, and with having baby Casey, I definitely don't want to rush the time away, so be sure to hit that subscribe button because we have something fun coming, like a new little series coming to our channel. But look at this awesome pink pineapple. So a friend of mine brought this over to us because she had saw that I wanted to try it, and it's a pink pineapple and it was actually delicious. So thank you so much, Jerry, for sending this over to us. This is actually Sunday before the 4th, and we're gonna have like a fun pool day in the afternoon. We got Casey this new pool float and it's so cute. He loved it because he loves the little steering wheel. He loves things with steering wheels right now. So Sunday, June 30th, I believe, is like kicking off our 4th of July like weekend, and we wanted to have like a little pool afternoon. And this little airplane, this is actually the same brand that I got our pool floats from whenever I shared with y'all the pool video. I love it. It's called Fun Boy. They have some really cute floats. Going to watch the fireworks. You ready? Say USA! USA! So if you've been on my channel for a while, then you already know that the Sunday before the 4th, our small town puts on a beautiful fireworks show, and so everybody in the community gets together. They usually have a program in the park to honor all the past veterans, and they do like prayers and some songs. We didn't make it to that this year because we had Kason, and we knew that he wouldn't do good sitting through that the whole time, and so we ended up just going to the fireworks show, and it was just spectacular. Kason did not love it, though. We ended up having to sit in the car, but he was amazed while we were sitting in the car looking at them. Usually where we sit every year, and it's honestly just too close and too loud, so next year we're going to move away from them where he can enjoy them and not hurt his little ears, so we didn't think about that beforehand. So now we're jumping on into Wednesday. So Wednesday, July 3rd, that's my dad's birthday. So I'm going out to the garden and picking these yummy little sun gold cherry tomatoes and getting some oregano and basil from my little herb garden. And we're going to mix up this little delicious like viral treat. I have seen this all over TikTok and Instagram, and I've been wanting to try it. And we really needed to use our herbs and these cherry tomatoes because we have a lot of them. So all you do is, I'll put the recipe down in the bottom too, but you just use some olive oil and your herbs and some garlic, and you just put everything together into a little dish like this, mix it together, and then put a block of feta cheese. We're going to add some more olive oil, salt, pepper, and garlic, and we're going to bake this in the oven. And then whenever it gets through baking, you just stir everything together. Not up the whole house. It smelled delicious. It was so creamy. And then I had boiled some noodles, and you just add the noodles to the dish and then just stir it together and you're done. It was so easy. You could add like chicken to this if you wanted to. Last video I shared this like little pretzel jello dessert and made it look like a flag for Dad's birthday cake, and it turned out so good. He loved it. He wanted me to leave it there, and now we're just gonna hang out with them, and he's gonna open up some of his little birthday gifts from us. Dad did have to do dialysis this night, so he was in his dialysis room, and so we just came over here.
That's the popsicle.
I like the popsicle.
Huh?
Cute.
Oh yeah, so I have the name covered down there. All right, good job, Eli. Oh, Gracie done a good job on this one.
That's me.
That's pretty too.
Oh yeah, good job.
Good job, Elizabeth. Jason, you done real good. Happy birthday. See, wishes do come true.
That is your
See, fenders, radial tires, fenders.
She drew all that.
Hey, Bubby.
Oh.
Boy, come on. You are so wiggly.
We decided to let Joseph give us all a little history lesson on what the 4th of July was and why we were celebrating it. So we sat in here and did like a little trivia with it, and it was actually really nice.
No, that's an 1812.
Benjamin Franklin Hell.
Because everybody was just trying to survive. You know, you got to think all this stuff was in Boston, Massachusetts, up in New England, were all, especially the first part of the war, was all up there. So does anybody know the events that led, you know,
Oh my God, you look like the 4th of July. It makes me want a hot dog real bad.
I had to share with y'all that little TikTok video. Y'all definitely be sure to check me out over there. We're doing lots of funny and goofy little videos over there. It's been a lot of fun. So this was July 4th morning, and I decided to make Chick-fil-A's like copycat version of the frosted lemonade because I love that treat. So I used my mom's homemade vanilla ice cream recipe, and then I only put 2 lemons, the zest of 2 lemons and 2 lemon juices, and it could have used like 4 or 5 more. So I'm still working on it, but it was good. It just needed more of a lemon flavor. Now we're headed to my sister's house, and she had it all cute for the 4th, so I was going to share with y'all just a little glimpse of her home. And now we're going to take it back a couple of days, and I want to thank today's sponsor, which is Costway. So they were so kind to send us some of these rocking chairs. So my brother-in-law has been wanting some rocking chairs for his back porch, and since we were going to be all hanging over there 4th of July, I surprised him with them for like his little Father's Day treat. So he was so excited to put these together, and then we had a nice place to hang out, sit and rock while we watched the kids play in the pool, do the water slide, ate ice cream. So thank you again, Costway, for sponsoring today's video, and I'll be sure to link them down below with my promo code, and be sure to check out their website. Y'all know that I talk about Costway all the time. I love their website. There's like everything on there. Most of you already know because I get stuff from there all the time, so definitely be sure to check them out. So we added these like little flag pillows, and The rocking chairs are just so cute on their back patio. So now we're going to feast. This was so delicious. We just had hamburgers and hot dogs and a few sides. And then my mom made this really cute like little flag cake that she saw on Pinterest. She said that she messed something up on it, but I couldn't figure out what it was that she had messed up. But it was delicious and looked cute to me. And then we're making the first round of homemade ice cream. So I'm trying my frosted lemonade one first, and then we're going to do vanilla and chocolate towards the end of the evening. So this is my cousin Bobby's lemonade ice cream. He wanted to make some too, and he used lemon essential oil with it, and it was delicious.
Are you getting back washing my water?
Is it cold?
Yeah, it's cold.
Oh, yeah. That's so good. Mommy's water's the best. Oh my gosh.
So as you can see, we had a great 4th, and I really hope and pray that you and your family did as well. That evening, some went to watch some more fireworks, and we did not. We stayed at the house. Kason actually we thought was teething, which he is, but I think he had a cold too because he's the one that made me sick. And so we ended up just going home for the night and resting, and then we have just rested the rest of the weekend. I was going to film some more throughout the weekend, but we ended up just resting because we got sick, which is okay. But again, I hope that y'all enjoyed your 4th of July and celebrating America, and I hope that y'all still enjoy celebrating the rest of your summer. And we have lots of more fun things coming to our channel. Like I said, a fun series is coming out that I'm so excited to share with y'all about. So stay tuned. Had to share with y'all little Kason asleep. Look how beautiful he is and his little feet. So we just hung out, watched a little Nancy Meyers movie, hint, hint, on the series to come, and just chilled. But I guess I will see you guys in the very next one. God bless, and I'll see you soon.